Welcome to Purchase Reviews. Today I'll show you how to mix two-stroke oil with fuel. So it's just a simple, straightforward video today to take out any of the guesswork out of mixing two-stroke oil. First, you'll need a 1 litre measuring cup and a smaller measuring cup, which you can get from the hardware store. There are also pre-mix measuring cups for measuring larger amounts, but for today's demonstration I'll be mixing the two-stroke oil into 1 litre of fuel. So you need to check what ratio mix your weed eater or mower takes. This one requires a synthetic two-stroke oil, which will need to be mixed at 50:1 ratio. Grab your phone and search for premix calculator. Choose either US or metric. I like to use metric as that's the measurement I'm used to using in Australia. So for example, if your mower or weed eater requires a 50:1 mix, then just type in 1 for 1 litre and underneath the ratio, which is 50:1. The calculator automatically tells us that we will need to mix 20 mils of two-stroke oil to 1 litre to make it a 50:1 ratio mix. So this tool makes it very easy. Now grab your fuel, or as an American would say, gasoline, measure out 1 litre, then measure out 20 mils of oil, add to the fuel and rinse out the smaller cup with fuel. I like to now use a secondary jug to pour into so that the oil and fuel is well mixed. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If you like how-to videos and product reviews, then consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the like button, and until next time, thanks for visiting Purchase Reviews and happy mixing.